It's over 30 years since the first Porsche 993 left the factory in Stuttgart, and I think you'll probably agree with me that they got the styling spot on, because doesn't this car just look fantastic? The 993 still has a way of slowing down time and making you feel like you're really living. This particular car is a 1994 October 1st registered 993 Carrera 2 Cabriolet manual. And what that really means is you've got a 3.6 litre air-cooled engine, 6-cylinder, with 272 horsepower and 330 newton meters of torque. And let me tell you, you can really feel that torque when you're driving this car along. It pulls so well. I was pleasantly surprised not having not driven one of these cars for a little while. This example, finished in midnight blue with a marble grey interior, is an extremely special car, having only 4 registered owners from new. That is a period of 32 years and only 4 registered keepers, extremely low for Porsche, and one of those keepers had this car for 28 years. So what did they actually change from the 964 to the 993? Appearance-wise, we've got flatter front wings, the more elegant teardrop headlamps, a slightly wider stance from the rear, smoother front and rear bumpers, bigger brakes, and the ABS, which gives this car so much stability on the road. I think Porsche made something like 15,500 cabriolets in the model run from 1994 to 1998, which at the time was quite a few cars. But as time goes on, the 992s, I believe there was 200,000 cars produced in the first few years of production. And if we look historically, cabriolets tend to account for 20 to 30% of those cars released. That's a huge difference, showing how much the brand has grown, but also how rare these little authentic cars will become. I think perhaps what we're trying to summarise is there is a collection of things that make this car so special. We've got the futuristic engineering of Porsche with the fully electric convertible hood. We've got our power steering, we've got our ABS, but then we've also got what Porsche didn't change, and that's your 3.6 air-cooled engine. And the raw thrill of that, and induction, it's just magical. All whilst the comfort from your cabin, which you would have no doubt about driving hours in. This is an extremely special car. If you'd like any more information on it, please feel free to give myself or Andy a call. We'd love to have a chat about it. Thank you. Bye.